Surah, number 94, of Quran Majeed. The expansion.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
Alam nashrah laka sadrak.
Did we not open your breast for you?
وَوَضَعْنَا عَنْكَ وِزْرَكَ
And relieve you of your burden.
الَّذِي أَنْقَضَ ظَهْرَكَ
Which almost broke your back.
وَرَفَعْنَا لَكَ ذِكْرَكَ
Did we not exalt your name?
فَإِنَّ مَعَ الْعُسْرِ يُسْرًا.
Indeed, ease accompanies hardship.
إِنَّ مَعَ الْعُسْرِ يُسْرًا.
Indeed, ease accompanies hardship.
فَإِذَا فَرَغْتَ فَانصَبْ.
So when you are done, appoint.
وَإِلَى رَبِّكَ فَارْغَب.
And turn eagerly to your Lord.